In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet in advance. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Meet. In the Meet homepage, click on New Meeting. In the drop-down menu, click on Schedule in Google Calendar. Here you can edit the details about your meeting. You can give it a name. Click on Find a Time. Now select the meeting time and date from here. In the Guests section, click on Add Guests. Here you can give the email addresses of those who you want to join in your meeting. After you are done, click on Save. A pop-up should appear asking permission for sending the email invitation to your given recipients. In the pop-up, click on Send. Here you can see that a meeting is scheduled in my calendar. Now, if you click on Join from here, it will take you to your meeting page. Following these steps, you can schedule a meeting in Google Meet easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.